Hello. Our introduction of low clouds has reached the last type. This episode will introduce Cumulonimbus. Before, I used to know some terms on the internet, such as KOL. At that time, I thought weather observers couldn't be counted as star chasers. At most, they could only be cloud chasers. Among the heavenly group of clouds in the sky, which one is the KOL? I immediately think of the cloud named CB for Cumulonimbus. As long as your job is related to weather, such as air traffic controllers at the airport control tower, or weather forecasters, even pilots and cruise ship captains, you'll pay extra attention to CB. CB is a big name known by weather observers. As soon as it appears, attention will be paid to its every move all the time. This is because the weather that comes with CB are all severe weather phenomena, such as lightning, thunder, heavy showers, and even hail. These phenomena pose great threats to people, the environment, and even machines. What does CB look like? As you can see from the picture, its shape is like a huge mountain, even a gigantic tower. It can extend from a cloud base of hundreds of feet to a cloud top of around 30,000 feet. Since its cloud top can reach almost 30,000 feet, its cloud top is usually composed of ice crystals, and its cloud base is mainly water droplets. Since CB is very thick, the base is usually darker. When observing CB, you usually can't see the entire CB in the urban areas. Most of the time, we can only see its top. That is the cloud layer spreading from the top of the cumulonimbus. The edge of the anvil cloud is usually filamentous. If in an open area such as Tongchong or places near the airport, you can see the entire cloud. Sometimes CB and cumulus are alike. How do you distinguish them? We do so by looking at their cloud top. The top of Q is usually rounder. It has a clearer outline. The top of CB is usually flatter and also has some filamentous forms. Cumulonimbus is like an idol. There are a lot of clouds around it. Spreading from the top of the cumulonimbus, different types of clouds can be developed, such as cirrus, altocumulus, altostratus, even the stratocumulus that I introduced before. The image of CB is iconic. The whole body is full of topicality. The ice crystals at the top of the cloud can extend and become the anvil cloud, also known as incus. Incus is relatively far from the main body of the thunderstorm. Seeing it can be considered as an advance notification that there may be severe weather nearby. And then there's Mama. Mama is a phenomenon that occurs when the atmosphere is unstable. It is developed from the bottom of incus, which extends from the top of a mature cumulonimbus. Also, rare Arcus clouds may be seen at the base of the cloud. Its appearance is off-white, curly on the horizontal, sometimes resembles a scaffold, like a scaffold holding a storm. In fact, CB has many supplementary features or accessory clouds. There isn't enough time to introduce them in this episode. Let's share more special clouds in the future. Apart from CB's special appearance, it has a unique characteristic among all cloud species. It's the only cloud that can shout. Yes, it shouts. How? And so for weather observers, CB isn't only a visible cloud, it's also an audible cloud. This time I'll teach you how to listen to CB. First, we often talk about thunder and lightning. But actually the order should be lightning first and then thunder. So the weather observer will first see the lightning, then hear the thunder. If you see lightning at the moment, count 1001, 1002, 1003 in your mind. In this instance, it's 3 seconds. Lightning followed by thunder. The time difference between them is 3 seconds. These 3 seconds can be used to estimate the place where the lightning and thunder occurred. The distance from the observation point is about 1 kilometer. The weather observers at the observatory need more detailed information. Apart from listening to estimate how far the thunder is, they also need to listen to know which direction the thunder comes from. In the end, no matter whether you see or hear it, when CB is there, it means there's bad weather nearby. You should get away from it as soon as possible.